Be humble, be calm. When you have, Allah wants to see. Do you look at those around you who don't have and quietly reach out to them, empower them, look at them, give them, treat them well? That is building your hereafter. That is fulfilling the trust of Allah. Allah created people around you, not for nothing. He chose them as a test. You will have problems with some of them. You will have friendship with some of them. You will have dealings with some of them. You will have so much with some of them. Allah just wants to see, are you still going to make us the focus of your life? Or will you dwindle and drown in this worldly life? In Surah Al-A'la, again Allah reminds us of something similar, saying that, you know what? Man loves that which is now, the worldly life. And he's prepared to pay as a price the eternal life. You want comfort in this world, and what's the payment you're paying? The comfort of eternity. That's not worth it. A person who believes knows that that's not worth it at all.